guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to Gem Apparel TV. Today we're going to do another computer build for my brother. So this build comprises of a Core i3-10100 10th generation i3, 8 gigs of 2666 MHz RAM, a GTX 1050 Ti, and this is our motherboard, a Gigabyte H410M-S2, then a Thermaltake 80+ White 500 watts power supply, and a 1TB hard disk drive. So before building a computer, you must have your tools ready: a cutting tool, screwdrivers. Make sure you have a ESD band where you can discharge your static somewhere else on a ground point, any metal. So let's begin with the build.
Just like me, to miss a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll change. But how can I lose you now? Oh, the silence are way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Just like me, still instigating things. Fucking up another perfect night when all you ever did was treat me right. You love and everything that I needed. I know it won't be easy, but darling, please believe me when I say I'll change. How can I lose you now? Oh, the silence are way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Do you really wanna leave me alone tonight? Don't make me chase you into the moonlight. Baby, I don't wanna have to go another night without you. my mind. I can lose tonight. Oh, oh, the sun is way too loud. Yeah, 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 'cause I won't be okay. Got you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away.
Take a chance. Live your life for just one night. No looking back. 'Cause tonight will make you right. Keep this feeling getting hot. Oh, oh. Keep this feeling getting hot. Oh, oh. chance. Live your life for just one night, no looking back. 'Cause tonight will make you right. Keep this feeling, getting high. Oh, oh. Keep this feeling, getting high. Oh, oh.
Afterwards, take a look at the PC from the front. Make sure it's all nice and neat. I just up to hide the cables to the side like this, but yes, it's alright if it looks like that. Take the glass of the case, which is this one. Handle with care, because it can shatter. Take off the protective peel. Now you got yourself a good looking computer. To screw the thumb screws included with the case and onto the glass. Now this computer is good to go. Now this is the computer. Here's the computer already plugged in and ready to go. Nice! Look at the lights, guys! And then there's a button here to change the color. Damn! Look at that case! Now we're just waiting at post, and then you head into the BIOS. So now we are now ready. The computer is ready. So here's the motherboard information: H410MS2 BIOS version F3, i3-10100F, 8 gigs of RAM, Kingston 2666 megahertz. Okay, so glad to know everything is nominal. It's boosting already to 4.1 megahertz. So we can go to the advanced mode. Make sure everything is in auto. Check for the memory XMP if there's one. Profile 1. There you go. Make sure to load in the XMP profile. So that you got the optimized memory performance. Save and exit. Then we are now going to boot into the computer. Here it is. Intel stock cooler, an LED case. Here's the build that I did last time. Managed to clean the cables first. Just let it train in the BIOS. It's now booting. Oh, by the way, ever since Windows 10, you do not need to do a fresh install of Windows if you make a new computer or upgrade your parts. Just have to plug the same hard drive in and it'll boot up just fine. I'll be back to